So Impedimed brought in a new leadership team in 2013. The key issue for them was they had developed a new diagnostic for a condition called lymphedema, which is a fluid retention that cancer patients often suffer from. So that was approved, but the company just wasn't able to be paid for use of the diagnostic. So the key change was that in 2014, the company got the right codes that allow them to interact with the US healthcare system to properly get reimbursed when the system over there uses their therapy. That has unlocked a big market opportunity. There's about 250,000 women every year get breast cancer, and about 30% of those patients will be in danger of getting this condition called lymphedema. So there's a large market opportunity. In the meantime, the management team started unlocking other potential expansion plans beyond the original indication to go after a much bigger opportunity. So now that they can get paid, they're going after something like a $350 million a year opportunity, where up until now there's been no way to easily measure lymphedema in cancer patients. Lymphedema is easily treated if you get it early. Up until now, there's been no easy way to do that. So they're making a significant difference initially to cancer patients. The company also realizes there's a big opportunity in heart failure, which affects a substantial part of the population over the age of 60. And they've also introduced a new product for measuring fluid and tissue levels in the body for healthy patients, or for healthy people, so that those people can benefit from another diagnostic that will show them how well they're doing in terms of their fitness. So I'll talk about the two elements of Blue Sky. Heart failure is significant because if you can stop heart failure patients retaining fluid, you can keep them out of hospital. And that's a big deal in the US healthcare system because hospitals will get penalised by Medicare if their patients show up 30 days after having been previously released from hospital. So it's making a big difference to the US healthcare system for a large disease opportunity. In terms of the new product they've just introduced, which they're calling SOZO, that's a big deal because in the era of Fitbit, we've become more interested in measuring just how well we're doing fitness-wise, health and fitness-wise, whether or not we're sick. And this is a new product that can go after that market, which, as you've seen from everyone who wears Fitbits and is generally interested in wellness, is a multi-billion opportunity as well. One of the things I've noticed over the last 7 or 8 years in healthcare is that anyone who has a genuinely big step change in how either you measure or treat a disease condition will often sell in the billions when they get acquired by the ultimate owner of that technology. And the reason is that every year governments and people spend more money on healthcare, so the healthcare budget expands, and that's generally raising the dollar value of transactions when people are acquiring things. So when I look at a company like Impedimed, it's not one I cover on a day-to-day basis. I could probably feel comfortable with the kind of valuation there are now. In fact, it's not unreasonable to expect a higher valuation. Then again, it's rare for companies at this stage of development to trade this high. So the company's going to have to make sure that it doesn't make any mistakes from here. Most definitely, because they've got technology which is useful across a wide range of disease conditions. So a particular medical device company could value that, probably bolt it onto a larger sales force and increase the market opportunity a lot more.